A new report of the Pixel 8 family is coming in, revealing the European storage along with the pricing. You can see the color options as well. The bad news is that Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are going to be much more expensive than the predecessors. The price hike is significant. The Pixel 8 with 128GB storage starts from 874 euros with 23% VAT, while the 256GB variant is going for 949 euros. The Pixel 7 started at 650 euros. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to start at 1235 euro for a 128GB storage option, which and will go for 1309 euros for the 256GB iteration. The 512GB version will be out for euros 1461. The Pixel 7 Pro was launched at 900 euros. To be frank, this is actually very absurd pricing. It will not go through, but the colors leaks are actually, which is going to be very good and confirmed. It comes in hazel, obsidian, rose and mint colors, while the Pro comes with bay, obsidian, porcelain and mint paint jobs. Google is preparing to launch a night sight video to complement the night sight for photos, so it will be very interesting to see what does Google come up. It also will have a physical SIM card tray, as it was earlier rumored that the 8 Pro will not come with